Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reduce lag in Minecraft Java on low-end PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to press in keyboard escape key and select options. Select video settings. Graphics, you just need to set to fast and smooth lighting, turn it off. V-Sync, turn it off and scroll down. Full screen, turn it on and scroll down. On the right side, view bobbing, turn it off. Render distance, set this to 8 and frame rate set to ultimated. Scroll down. Clouds, turn it off. NT shadows, turn it off. And after doing all these changes, just click on done and select done again and select back to game, and now you are ready to play the game guys. There is no more lag in Minecraft. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.